Ikong Fidel Toy, Chairperson Jongka State Commission for Women, ida pen isisha ya kajing seluruh kom katakan Jingïalang, jong ka kanhuan ka bapek nam ta kajing bit kajing biang jong kikan thai. Kani kala jam ta ka sngi ha Jingïalang bala khot da ka trat Pulit banyak kran halor kajing yada yi kikan thai dan ni ta ka coordination committee yi kanhuan ki baper. Ikong Fidel Toy le thu ha kan ka Jingïalang bahaka arpo tarik jong jeliu arajar arpo Hadien ka jembalawai ka Jingïalang bala khot da ka committee on women empowerment jong ka assembly. And then we apply Ophisar about Byrngem, ya Ophisar Jongka State Commission for Women. Da ka papen pau yo ka jeng bitar halor ka jeng le jong new Ophisar ya ka ba iong ba imbet pa mar kerteng na ka Jongka State Commission for Women ni laong ba kani kam de banja shu lanu ru. Ilong ru bana unu Ophisar nu ban le kam ni ka di Ophisar Jongka State Commission for Women. Kanu tam unu ban le ya kiru ba bat kiru madan.
Honorable MLA, Sir, I would like to tell you what happened. After the meeting, there was one police officer. He threatened my officer. I was very angry. But the officer would not tell me the name, she would not reveal the name. And so I have to respect the wish of my officer. And today I won't ask to know the name. I won't ask for apology. But this should be the first and the last. Otherwise, I won't meet anyone. I will tell you that. On that day, I said about the insensitivity and about the lethargic habits, the indifference to address, to help the people, common people. But today I will add another one, arrogance. If they can threaten an officer of the Women Commission, think what they will do to the powerless, to the marginalized. I'm so angry, I will tell you. My anger is at the boiling point. That my officer will get threatened after the meeting.